Michael, a kayak angler. I'm going to do a test today and see how well I can stand up in the Outback. I have the Sidekicks with me for additional stability. Those are pontoons that sit on the side. I'm not sure how well this will work. I know that in the Pro Angler, it's easy to stand up, but it's a much wider, heavier boat than the Outback, and I don't have one. I don't have a Pro Angler. So I'm gonna see if I can actually stand up, fly fish out of the Outback, and if it's pretty stable. I'm not sure how much platform I'm going to have as well. So there'll be a few tests that should be kind of fun. I have a little bit of a sore leg this morning. Hopefully that's not going to affect me too much. If it does, you may see me go into the water. But that's all right. I have the dry suit, and so that'll be another test for that. Maybe I'll catch a fish or two, but that's not really my goal for the day. So when we get to the water, we'll start doing some tests. See you then.
Okay, we are going to do a little fishing today here at Hagway before we start doing some tests with standing up in the Outback. Oh, we're already on it. Oh, shoot, we got, oh, that's a nice fish already. Woo! Sweet. Woo, woo. That is nice. Cool. Alright. Let's see what we can do. Whoa! Alright. I want to try this thing today. I'm gonna give this a whirl with the GoPro and see if I can get any underwater footage. See if I can hang on to it. I didn't bring the net today. Nice. That's great. Beautiful fish. That was fast. We can bring him in here for a little cameo with the underwater. There we go. There we go. Let's bring it a little closer. I didn't bring the net. So, whoa! That's great. That's just great. Come on. He's a pretty one. He is a pretty one. Come here. Come on. Come on over. If we can get any shots of him. There we go. I should get some. Whoa. That wasn't what I wanted. That's the hazard of having. Get back over here. Shoot. Let's bring him in. Come here. That's a nice fish. Here. There we go. Swims. Yeah, good. Swim away. Good. That was fast. Good. Okay. We're gonna try standing up here. Like this. A little cast. This actually is very stable. We got the sidekicks actually aren't in the water. Okay, we're going to try this again. A little bit of a technical error. Batteries were dead. Didn't know why they're dead, but they are, so that's just the way it goes. Try to even this up a little bit. I'm going to get the camera out. And get my out. All right, here we go. All right. Now we're standing up. It's a little precarious, I'll tell you that. Probably can't see me now, so we'll try on a little bit like this. Imagine if this doesn't seem super stable there. So it's not easy standing up. And now I have the Sidekicks down. It's easier to actually have my feet straight like this in the middle of the boat. And just not feeling really safe. Standing up like this. Nope. No. Now, the Sidekicks help a little. I don't know if they actually help at all. But it is definitely precarious to stand on this thing. Try. You know, you can see how tippy this thing seems to be. Even though it's quite a wide boat. I'm not sure I would be really comfortable standing up and fishing like that. I think if anything, I would be more likely to be leaning like this and then trying to cast into some water. And I did notice that legs start to cramp up doing this. It's not something I'd be doing for a long time. It's not really easy to stand up in one of these. In this, at least it isn't for me. I certainly wouldn't want to fight anything that's really big. I think this makes the most sense. Just putting my feet over to the side. It's easy. Gets me to, so I can at least stretch my legs a little bit. I was hoping that it would feel a little better. Maybe I'll try the Revo. But the Outback is not doing it for me, at least today. So I may try it again, but or I may just look into a different, maybe a pro angler or something else, maybe even a stand-up paddleboard. Still, hope he's doing great. I'll go back to doing some fishing, and hopefully I'll be able to catch a couple before I head home. So, this is Michael, Kayak Flangler. Go farther, catch more.